Here on the MSI site today, we've moved from our home site in Christchurch to trial the deployment and integration of our BAT solution to gather data which will help our certification process as we move forward.
So we've seen over the last few years how the threat is evolving. The nature of the threat is evolving far quicker. The changes in our countermeasures have to be able to be developed and proven far quicker as well. And the whole concept of BATs is to be able to put together an end-to-end system that is adaptable and able to evolve against an ever-changing threat, both here in the UK and to international partners overseas.
Today we'll be flying some drones on this facility, and that will allow our sensing modalities to be able to identify those drones, hand that information off to the C2 system, and the C2 system to connect to the fire control system of the gun you see behind me, which will allow the gun to slew onto those drones. And that will prove that our system works end to end.
Today we can fly two types of drones, a low, slow, fixed wing drone which would mimic a Shaheed style threat, but also a quadcopter style drone that would mimic a contemporary FPV threat. A fantastic collaboration to support and be integrated into the BAT system.
We develop applications to detect using our software-defined radio. It's a radio that we can upload any type of application to. We particularly are going after drones as an early warning.
It's the culmination of around 4 months of effort of bringing together effectively a lab demonstrator, something that we're seeing now live, and we've been able to detect those miniature drones at actually fairly great distance.
Team energy here is absolutely fantastic. They've obviously worked really hard for the past few months to try and get us to this state. We're really excited to see what results we can spin out of today.
We see through the lens of the Ukrainian conflict and the regional conflict in the Middle East a rapidly evolving threat. So we are already interchanging information, interfacing our data sources such that we can supply on demand an appropriate capability to support the needs of the moment.
So we've proven that the system is working really well. The team's super excited and we're ready to get to our live field trial later this summer.